Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is on a solder flood light with motion sensor. This product was sent to me to do a review video on it, so let's check it out. And here's our floodlight. One pack, cool white, 6500 Kelvin, waterproof, 2000 milliamp per hour, easy to install. Let's open up our package. Got some hardware. Here's our solder floodlight. Wow. It's nice. There's our motion sensor, our solder panel, and instructions. Lamp wattage is 8 watts, 3000 lumens. Lamp size is about 5 1/4, give or take. 2 1/4. From corner to corner is about 5 3/4. Our length is about 5 1/4. The width is 3 1/4. The battery capacity is 3.7 volts. Let's check it out. Let's remove our battery. Here's all the battery info. Let's check if our battery comes fully charged. Yep, it does. 3.8. Put our battery back. Make sure you got it right. Positive. Now, our motion sensor has a range of 5 meters, which is roughly around 16.4 foot. Has an IP of 54. Material is mostly plastic except for our mounting bracket. That's metal. Our solder panel wattage is 5.5 volts, 1.2 watts. Here's our power and mode button. Our floodlight has 4 modes. Mode 1 is 100% output for 20 seconds when someone passes. Turns off without person. Nice. And you press your button for mode 2, which is the output of 20 seconds when someone passes, 1000 looms without person. Mode 3 is a fixed mode of 1000 looms output. Basically, it's going to stay on. And our 4th mode is sleep mode. So I think I'll be hanging it in that top corner between the window and the door, because when I come out of the shop at night, I can't see the door keyhole because it's pitch black out here at nighttime. There's no lights out here. I think that spot will be perfect for it because, as you can see, there are no trees in this area. It's nothing but sky. Well, today's a cloudy day, but usually the sun is always in this area here. Let me go get my big boy ladder. Now let's go ahead and remove our mounting bracket. Just make sure that you remember the position that you should be putting it back in, because on this, if you see here, is a slight angle, almost like a 45-degree angle there. Basically, you just want to make sure that this notch right here is facing downward. Just try not to lose your washers. To get our bracket nice and level, I'll be using a torpedo level. I'll also be using a center punch for our screws. If you don't have a center punch, just grab a Sharpie. Your hardware comes with a washer, but I'll be adding an O-ring behind the washer. And that's just to help prevent water getting through, like so. Our bracket's nice and leveled. Now we're going to install our 2 screws that go on each side to mount our bracket to our unit. Now let's check out our new light. Whoa. Well, that lights up. That's a huge area lights up. I would say from here, that's over 25 feet. Take a good look. That's a lot of light for such a small little lamp. That's awesome. So from here, I would say I'm about over 30 feet away easy. Now I have the motion sensor facing a little bit more downward, but yeah. So it all depends on how you want your sensor facing. You want it facing more outward, you want it facing closer to the ground. But I'm happy the way I have it right now. It's perfect for me. Look at all this area that's lit up. That's the only light out here. That's awesome. That is awesome. It's the next morning and this floodlight works great. Perhaps for your application, you might want to adjust the motion sensor. For me, I had the sensor facing downward because I wanted to catch me at nighttime when I'm leaving the shop. I don't have it facing upward because at night we get a lot of deer on the property and I don't want the light to constantly turn on because they're out here eating grass. I'll also leave you a link in the description at the bottom of this exact solar floodlight. The store is called Alderwin on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.